Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing and paid ads. Now these paid ads, they are cheap and they are easy to set up. So if you're a beginner, this might be the best way for you to start making money with CPA marketing. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offers to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use CPA Group, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network. Now, because these are paid ads, it is really important to choose the country. So here for the country, let's just say, for example, I will choose United Kingdom, okay? United Kingdom. And then what you need to do, you also need to sort these from highest to lowest paid, because we are actually using paid ads. So here you can see different kind of offers. So let's just say I wish to promote this offer here. So when I click here, I can see more information. Here you can see I can earn $5.03 for every credit card submit. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy this link. This is my CPA Group affiliate link, and I need to add it in Notepad because I'm going to need that later, okay? And also what I need to do, I need to right click here, open image in a new tab, and I need to download this image because I'm going to need this image later, okay? So next thing we need to do, we need to start promoting this CPA offer. Now for this, we are actually going to use a company called Clicks. And here you can see this is their homepage. And what you need to do, you need to click here on sign up. And here you need to populate all of these fields here, but here account type, you need to say advertiser because we wish to promote our CPA offer. And also you need to read and understand and accept the terms of condition. And click here and then click here on sign up, confirm your email, and you're good to go. Now after that you need to log into your account and you need to create a campaign. Now I just created this account, so what you need to do, you need to click here on campaigns, because we wish to create a new campaign. Then click here, new campaign. And then what you need to do, you need to give it a name. You need to give a name to this campaign. Now this is visible only to you. So for example, let's just say I will call it UK, okay? UK. And here you can choose a type. You can choose a group. Now for the purpose of this video I will not create a group, but if you are actually running ads for similar CPA offers, it is suggested to actually create a group for those ads, okay? And here you need to choose targeting. Now because this is actually a CPA offer, I will choose entertainment and lifestyle. And here you can see categories. Now I will actually deselect this and I will deselect this, because this is not an adult content, okay? And you can also choose this one here, but I will not choose it for the purpose of this video. Now here you can see you can choose an ad format. And here we can see dimensions of our banner. Here you can see 300 with 250. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to create a banner. Now for that we are going to use Canva. And here I will choose 300 by 250, right? 250, and then click create design. And now I need to create my banner. Now what you need to do, you need to upload image that we downloaded from CPA Group, this image here. I need to upload it here on Canva. So just click here on uploads, click here on upload file, and this is the file. Give it a few seconds to actually upload this on Canva. Okay, it uploaded this image. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag that image here, okay? And I need to add it here. And this is my banner. So what I need to do, I actually need to move it like this, okay? And now I need to click here on share, and then I need to click here on download, and download this as a PNG. Click here on download, and give it a few seconds to download this image. Now I need to go back here on Clicks, and I need to click here on this arrow. And now I need to add my banner. Just click here on add variations, and then here I need to add my CPA Group affiliate link. So I will simply copy this, copy, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? Click here, select files. Here you don't need to do anything, just click here on upload files. This is the file, give it a few seconds, and here you can see how this actually looks. So what I need to do, I need to click here, add one variation, and that's it. I added one variation. Here you need to click here and to choose automated on CTR, click-through rate. You can choose even fixed automatic conversion rate. I will use it automatic on CTR, okay? And then just click here on this arrow again. And now we need to choose a country. Now we targeted United Kingdom, okay? So I need to find United Kingdom, okay? And this is United Kingdom, okay? And then click here on add. and I added United Kingdom. Okay, so what I need to do next, I need to click here on this arrow again, and now I need to set up pricing. So you can choose Smart CPM, CPC, Smart Bid. Now I will choose CPC, cost per click. Here you can see they automatically suggested 10 cents per click, but you can choose, for example, let's just say 0.5. This is only 5 cents per click. And here you can choose this frequency, campaign, daily limits, total limits, time period. Now I won't do anything of this. You don't need to do that for now. This is all you have to do. And all you have to do now is just click here on next step. And here you can choose traffic type. You can choose any of these. I will leave it as all because I wish to test my first ad to see which of these traffic sources will actually give me best results. Here, targeting mode. You can choose one of these. I will leave it as all because, like I said, this is my first ad and I wish to see which of these will give me best results. So here you can see all sites and zones will be targeted, okay, because I set up all for all of this. And all you have to do now is just click here on create and you will create your ad. As you can see, really simple, really easy. But here you can see no funds. I didn't add any funds. And what you need to do, you simply need to click here on payments. And I actually didn't set up two-factor confirmation. That is why I cannot see that option here. Once you set up two-factor authentication, you will be able to see payment options. Options to add funds to your account on ExoClicks, and then your campaign will be active and you will start your campaign and you will start driving traffic to your CPA offer. And if someone actually submit their credit card number, you will make $5.03 for every person who do that. Now, like I said, for this is actually paid option. You can set up lower bid for cost per click, but in that case, you will get less clicks and you will get less traffic. But if you set up higher price per click, you will probably get more traffic, more clicks, and because we are earning $5 per sale, per actually credit card number submit, we will actually, if we pay just 10 cents, which means on every 20 people, if we make a sale, we will earn $3. So you can make a good money if you set up your campaign properly and if you do analyzing after each of your campaigns, so you can target your campaigns even better. As I said, this is not free method, but it is cheap method to do CPA marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.